Check out this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: split bench seat, power outlet, telematics, steel wheels, MP3 player, automatic headlights, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.